Deccan Charters is an aviation company based in Bengaluru, India, that operates helicopter and fixed-wing charter services. Its main base is HAL Bangalore International Airport. Deccan Technical Services, the maintenance unit of Deccan Charters, maintains helicopters on behalf of 50 Indian corporates such as Reliance Industries and Essar Group. Their Mumbai center is the authorized customer service center to support Sikorsky S-76 helicopters. In March 2017, the firm bagged 21 regional air routes under the Indian government's Regional Connectivity Scheme, UDAN. The airline started operations on 3 December 1997. As Deccan Aviation, it established Simply Fly Deccan, a low-cost airline, in March 2003. In July 2004, Deccan Aviation partnered with the favorite group of Sri Lanka to launch a helicopter charter company called Deccan Aviation Lanka. In early 2007, the company started fixed-wing charter operations. Deccan Charters exited from the company in November 2011 after selling their 48% stake to Singapore-based Millennium Aero, which renamed the company as Millennium Airlines. In February 2012, Deccan Charters partnered with Taj Air, Jets and other partners under the Powerfly brand to provide an air charter membership program through which customers can access jets, turboprops and helicopters. Deccan Charters Limited. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.